Hello everyone, let's see how we can create a blogs in Weebly website. So if you log into your Weebly website, you will see a page like me. And so the first thing you go to the right hand side, and on the top you will find an edit button. Click on that button and we will be seeing a home page if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so this is my home page for website and it's a food website really. So we want to add a blog page. So we will go to the pages. Here I already have a blog page, but if you don't have a blog page, then click on this plus icon. You will find a blog page here. So just simply click on that, then that page will be added to your menu. And how about if you want to change the position of blog page? So it's simply just drag it and drop it to whatever position you like. I just want to put at the bottom, so I'm actually fine with this. So I won't be moving my blog page. And for blog page right now I can see something like this. I don't have any blog posted, it's just an author, archives and categories displayed, and here it's something like click here to edit. So let's start with editing our heading for that page. So I would like, for heading I will put something like amazing food blog. Yep, that's okay. Um, and to create a new blog post, on the right hand side bottom, we'll find a new post button. So I will simply click on that and I will be asked to enter a post title and some body space I can see here. So for the post title for now, I'll just simply type in blog one. I'm not sure like you can put anything related to your website actually. And here in the body, I'll just drag and drop this text element for now. And right, this is an amazing blog. How about if you want to add more images to your blog? So just simply drag and drop this image element to your blog. Click it here. You can add images in multiple ways. In Weebly, you can upload from computer or many online source. So I will just type in food. Like I just want to add anything actually for now. So this looks delicious, right? So I will click on select and yeah, my image will be uploaded here. I am okay with this blog post. So if you are okay, just click on this post displayed on the right hand side. So I'll just go and click on the post button. Yeah, so my blog has been posted. If you click on this link, it will be redirected to that blog page. If you want to add one more blog, we can go and click on new post again and we can add another blog. Let's try that. So here I will type in blog 2. I will add some text here. Another amazing blog. And we'll just post that blog for now. Yeah. So if I want to see my all the blogs, then it will be something like this on my blog page. And if I want to change the settings for this blog post, I will go and click on this settings. From there, I will click on the blog displayed on the left hand side menu bar, and here here I can actually select how many posts do I want to show on the blog page. For now, by default, it's 10, so I'm fine with 10. Here are some settings per comment. You can have a look at those and change accordingly if everything is fine. So don't forget to save your changes. So again, we'll go to our blog page. We have something like this. Okay. So if I feel like block 2 is something I don't want, so how to delete that block? So I will click on block 2, the block which I want to delete, and here we can see an arrow, a downside arrow. So I will click there and click on delete post. And there will be a pop-up asking me that if I really want to delete the post, I will go ahead, click on yes. So yep, my posts have been deleted. Now I only have one blog. So now you know how to add blog, how to delete blog, how to edit blog. So if you want to edit, just click on that blog and just make your changes. That's it. And don't forget to update that blog. So congratulations, you can now add as many blogs you want on your Weebly website. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. I hope you understand how to add your blog. So happy blogging.